Hello and welcome to the cSecurity software demonstration. cSecurity is a software designed and developed for central stations in the receiving, monitoring and dispatching of alarm signals. In addition to this core function, the cSecurity software also includes a comprehensive ERP system. In this software demonstration, we will give you a brief overview of cSecurity. We will take a close look into the signal processing module in the perspective of the signal operator. We will navigate through this specific module, demonstrating how to add a customer, show you the signal dispatch process. We will look at the alarm signal history, how to add an event to the customer file, and the various reports available. Firstly, to show you the cSecurity interface. cSecurity is designed and developed through code-specific components and web technology. This allows it to achieve limitless customization. Over on the left here is the menu and the headers on the menu tab. It is programmed to be user-specific in their access, allowing privileged or restricted on selected functions. The second tab is Central Station. Here you can see all the various sub-functionalities in this tab. Click Customer Management for customers. This gives you two options, either add new customer or search for an existing customer. Here we will show you how to add a new customer. Click Customer Management, click Insert. Click Central Partners to add the integration partner. The next field is Partners Installers. This could be set to have a default setting. This field shows the status. As a new customer or existing, it will be selected active. The next field produces a number for the customer code. In the next field gives you the option to create a cSecurity password for the new customer. This option is useful but non-essential. This field asks you to specify the preferred method of contact for the customer, either through a mobile, cell phone, landline. The next field is for the name of the customer or company. The following field is to specify the position held, e.g. General Manager, if the customer is a company. The next field requests for the email address of the customer. The following fields ask for the address, the road name of the customer, followed by the region or city. Then the postal code is required. The next field is to add if it is a customer added, has other properties that were previously added. If this is the case, cSecurity gives you the option to group these properties and customer together. This field here, we add the contact details in the event of an emergency. The contact number given will be used for both signal alerts and following up subscription payments. This field is for cSecurity SMS alerts for the purpose of contact alerts and to the recipient of the 24-hour daily signal checks. This field is to add the premise description. The following field asks you to add the location notes. The next field asks you to specify the hardware of the alarm system. You can select from the drop-down list. The next field asks you to specify the communication receiver source. In this field, it asks for you to specify the number of communication receiver sources installed, e.g. sensors. This field, the name of the alarm installer or technician, is to be added. The following field asks for you to add the name of the hardware tester, which may be the same as the one mentioned above in the alarm installer or technician field. This field asks to add the billing address of the customer. This may or may not be the same address as the customer specified previously in their contact details. If it is the same, click the two paper icon on the left panel to copy the information across. The next section is for comments. This next field gives you the option to add an important message at a code threat situation. cSecurity gives this option to alert you in the event of a signal irregularity, by example, signal failure of GPRS, with specific instructions given to the signal operator. In this form, if special requirements need to be added, such as a holiday or maintenance is scheduled to occur, cSecurity has the capability to create temporary note can be added as an internal note to the signal operators. Once this form is filled, press Insert. To complete adding a new customer, you must add Customer Zone Management. Here is an example. To do this, go to the Customer Alarm Zone icon, click Add Zones, insert either the code, name, group, tax code to find the customer. Press Insert Customer, then Code. A list of signals will appear. Check the correct protocol. To complete, press Insert. Click Enter for the signals for the different zones. Select one or multiple zones. Here you add a description, e.g. door, window, living room window. This is where new zone names are added. I will now demonstrate cSecurity's signal management functionality. For this, you go to the Signal Management drop-down. In the top right window, you can view all the signals from all the customers from all the zones. In the bottom right window, you can view the unprocessed and priority signals. These are color-coded, with the signals in red are indicated as the signals of the highest priority, urgent and important signals. The second priority is power battery failure. The third signifies a technical fault. In this event, the operator would speak to the installer and then customer. This is usually the result of a telephone line problem. The signal operator will work through the red priority signal list displayed. In this same window, where you see the signals with the star, this signifies the signals that are not yet dispatched. To dispatch a signal manually, click Customer. All contact methods and details appear. Select Contact option. Here we have added a shortcut of Ctrl-T integrated with Telephone Center, and this calls the customer. Once completed, this action will appear top of the action list. In the mid-right window displays the customer alarm signal history. Here you will see the activated and inactivated alarm signals. Click Middle Long window. This confirms actions. This is whether the customer has answered or responded to calls. In the top right window, the non-priority signals with 0 marked beside it will go straight to the customer history displayed in the mid-right window. Here you can search signals via criteria of date, priority, power failure. In the central window is the customer's preferred method of contact. cSecurity includes a shortcut of F8 to view all notes from an installer. There is also a quick search available for signal history. Ctrl-I, the preset parameter we have here are currently 3 years or older. This will bring up a frequently used parameter search of the customer alarm signal history. To record a regular scheduled check on cSecurity, there is a shortcut, Ctrl-D. The signal operator would receive a call from the alarm installer informing which customer and zones will be tested at a specific time and date. The operator will add this information to cSecurity. After testing of signals in assigned zones are completed and the installer has informed the signal operator will click Complete to confirm this action is done. Ctrl-Q shows all cameras of customer. This is a CCTV integration. cSecurity also has a feature that enables mass signal dispatching. A shortcut of Ctrl-7 enables the signal operator to dispatch many signals with the same codes. This feature is both useful and time-saving in the occasions where 1. The installer failed to inform the signal operator prior to the zone test being conducted. 2. Signal problems within the zones. 3. Signal interference due to extreme weather conditions. To do this, search customer details, e.g. name, code, signals, priorities, partner, group. Click Insert to complete action. cSecurity has a feature that enables the auto dispatch of signals without an operator. A signal can be processed every 30 seconds if the internet is down up to 10 minutes. This would reduce the workload of the signal operator, whilst the red priority signal to be restored. If dispatched within 10 minutes, signal goes to history. If over 10 minutes, then the signal operator must call the customer. cSecurity has some useful shortcuts through using these icons. For example, by clicking the clock icon, you can add a customer notice. By clicking the electric plug icon, you can process a power off signal temporary disruption action. By clicking the X icon, you can process a customer zone deactivation action. By clicking the green circle arrows icon, you can manage the communication check of the GPRS signal. By clicking the question mark icon, you can check the status history of the customer. cSecurity also has a number of reporting features to view, print, send. Through the Printer tab, search options, priority, console, date, time of signals, customer or group codes. Or you can search signals per customer or search signals per installer's customers. With the report, cSecurity gives you the option to send via fax, Word, Excel, PDF to the customer or the installer, with the scheduled option as either daily, monthly, etc., or as a one-off report sent. cSecurity can produce a report to show signal operators calls made to alert customers for irregular office open hours. Also, on request by the customer, a report can be produced to show office alarms deactivated during working hours. That concludes the cSecurity software demonstration through the perspective of the signal operator. There are many more functionalities within cSecurity's capabilities that were not shown in this demonstration. For more information about cSecurity, please get in contact with us via our cSecurity sales representative.